let's go ahead and get this rifle set up. So I'm going to go and flip it over so we can get access to the bottom here. So first thing to do is take off this old Harris bipod. Harris bipods are very popular because they are relatively cheap and they get the job done. But there are just some much better options out there, and I'm at the point where I feel like it's time for me to move on to bigger and better things, which is where the Area 419 Picatinny rail comes into play. So next thing to do is to get these sling studs removed to make room for this rail. I used a 1/8 inch Allen wrench to break the sling studs loose. I mean, you can use whatever you want. This worked well for me. Here I'm trying to get a close-up to show the inserts that the Bergara HMR stock already comes with, making this super simple to throw the rail on. Area 419 does send inserts if your stock doesn't come standard with them. In that case, you would need to remove your barreled action and drill holes into your stock and add these inserts. With the studs removed, it's time to line up the rail with the inserts in your stock. The 419 has a large slot in it to accommodate many applications, and it works perfect for this one. I was taking it a little slow because I've typically had bad luck with small hardware in the past. The micromanaging is just really difficult when you have hands like bear paws. Tighten her down. The same right here. Make sure this one's good. Oh yeah. Well, she ain't going nowhere. I can promise you that. Going to wrap up this video with a final close-up of the rail installed on the rifle. It is really good looking. All the edges are beveled, which is a nice subtle touch, and that makes it nice to handle. I'm overall happy with my purchase and ready to get the new bipod on here and get some trigger time with the upgraded pieces. I hope this video was helpful for anyone who was thinking about throwing a rail on their rifle.